Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to view your notifications on monday.com. First, go to monday.com and log in with your account. Here, click on the notifications icon, represented by a bell icon, located in the top right corner of the monday.com interface. Click on the notifications icon to access the notification center. Once you have opened the notification center, you will see a list of your recent notifications. Notifications may include mentions, updates on tasks you are following, reminders or other relevant activities related to your work on monday.com. You can click on a notification to view more details or take action directly from the notification center. For example, if someone mentioned you in a comment, clicking on the notification will take you to the relevant item where the mention occurred. Some notifications may also offer options to mark them as read, dismiss them, or perform other actions depending on the context. Next, clicking on these three dots and select the option of settings. You will be taken to notification settings where you can make the changes if needed. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.